Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. We have another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot. I wanted to share this with you. This is a 2013 Ford F-150. It's the XLT trim package. Beautiful blue collar, gray cloth interior. It does have a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's the Ecoboost, which means it's turbocharged, so you should get more horsepower out of this engine compared to without it, and fuel economy should be very good for you. So we'll do a walk around. You can see it's got the tinted windows, Super Crew cab here, chrome running boards, appears to have good tread on the tires. Now this is a short bed truck. Walk around here. It does have the receiver hitch and lights already here, so I'll go ahead and flop this tailgate down. You can see it does have a mat in the back, so let's continue our walk around. Very nice 4x4. I just love the color on this thing, but that's just me. I'm partial to blue. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. You can see it's a gray cloth interior. I'll pan up here to show you the headliner. Appears to be in good condition. Now you do have two-tone color on your door panels. You've got the gray and the black. That looks very nice. And one thing I wanted to point out, on your mirrors you do have turn signals right here. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Now on this truck, ladies and gentlemen, on the driver's seat, it is power. You can see right there. And you've got the two color tone door panel trim here, gray and black, with your window and lock controls. So I'll show you the inside here, and we'll go ahead and hop up inside. Now one thing with this truck, it does have the WeatherTech floor mats already installed. Get here to show you the mileage on this as of right now, 134,542 miles. So we'll back away here. You can see you do have cruise control settings on the left side of your wheel, along with settings and displays on your instrument cluster. And then on the right, it does have Bluetooth capabilities to connect with your smartphone, to control your volume up and down, and to make and receive phone calls. So that's right here. Get over here. This is your two-wheel, four-wheel drive selector. And you get over here into your radio. Now it does have SiriusXM capability here. And scroll down here, see the climate control. Pull this out. You do have some hookups here, USB, line in 12 volt for your electronics. And we get over here, you got a couple cup holders, storage area right here. This does lift up. And let's take a look at the back. And I tell you, there's a lot of leg room that is back here, and you can see actually there's plenty of space in the back. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the newest addition to our family, 2013 Ford F-150 XLT trim package, 3.5 liter V6 engine, Ecoboost, which means it's turbocharged, so it's going to give you a little get up and go in your pep. We've got a lot of lenders ready to lend money on this, so just feel free to give us a call. Have a great day. Bye for now.